Hey guys, so today I'm filming a college night routine. Super fun video that I've been wanting to do. Night routine and morning routines kind of stress me out though, because I always think like, oh my god, like should I do it, like should I film it how I wish all my night routines were, where like I wash my makeup off and I go to bed at like 9 and you know, do my homework. Now, like, let's be realistic here, okay? We don't always have a perfect night. Like, I'm gonna try to keep it real with y'all, keep it like as honest and realistic as possible, because that's what I do on here. I'm the relatable YouTuber, not the perfect one that you guys feel like you can't live up to. Trust me. So I hope you guys enjoy. This is my night routine, as close and as honest as I can be while still actually, you know, getting things done. So first thing I do obviously is arrive home back at my apartment. I was just out eating with some friends, and so I just came home, so I already ate dinner. Here I am showing you a lovely note that my roommates have duct taped to the door, telling me to turn off all of my electronics and candles and ovens or whatever else heating wise that I could possibly leave on, because I shouldn't try to kill them, the note says. Toss my keys down on the table, you know, super organized like that, even though there's literally a key rack right next to me on the wall. And I go into my bedroom. This is my bedroom. If you want to see the apartment tour, I just posted it. So yeah, then I light some candles like every other YouTuber, because if we don't light a candle a day, we literally will die. It's just part of who we are. Like, once you become a YouTuber, you can't stop lighting candles. It's kind of a curse and a blessing, you know? It's just part of who we are as people. We have to light candles. Okay, but in all seriousness, I do love fall candles a lot, so I love sending those. Next, I plop down on my bed and lay there probably for a few hours, and I will do homework. I'll check my emails, watch YouTube videos, and edit videos of mine. This is kind of when I'm supposed to get things done, even though sometimes I just end up watching Netflix. Right now I'm watching Dexter and Supernatural. Some of my favorite shows are Game of Thrones, How to Get Away with Murder, Dexter, Criminal Minds, and Sherlock. Also The Office. Love The Office. What are your guys' favorite things to watch on Netflix? Let me know below. Oh, so here's my favorite midnight snack that I forgot to film. I almost eat it every single night. You can ask any of my roommates. Popcorn. I get the Orville Redenbacher popcorn in movie theater flavor. I've always loved popcorn, and lately I've been loving putting nutritional yeast on my popcorn. Next, it's time to get clean. Yes, I do shower. So here I am, you know, stripping down, giving you a little striptease show, and taking my shower. So this is actually one of the things I usually do when I first get home, is put my hair up. Oh my god. I have really thick, long hair, and I just can't stand having it down that long. So I pretty much always put my hair in a bun as soon as I get home. And this is how I do it. I have a scrunchie on my wrist that I wear all the time. Put my hair in a bun. Also, I'm wearing my super cute bathrobe. I love my bathrobe, guys. So here I am, just taking my makeup off with a makeup wipe towelette thing. You know how it be. Gotta get scrubbing the makeup off, guys. It takes me forever to get my mascara off. It's kind of like my least favorite thing about not having lash extensions anymore, is taking mascara off. I kind of like putting mascara on, but taking it off is kind of a pain. So lately I've been using Alba Botanica. They sent me these products and I absolutely love them. This is the scrub. It's an exfoliator for your body and your face. Guys, it smells and feels so good. It's a little messy, but it really, today, oh my god, my skin feels so soft. So like, thank you so much for sending me this. I've really been loving it, been using it recently. It's really nice. So yeah, I just go ahead and scrub and exfoliate my skin. I just absolutely love how these products are vegetarian. I'm vegetarian. I've been vegetarian for 2 years now, so that's kind of important to me. Also, I wanted to say this video is in fact sponsored by Alba Botanica, but all these opinions and everything I'm saying is completely my own. Next, I'm using their Pore Wash.
it's important, you know, to wash your skin. I don't wash my face every night, guys, honestly, and I really should. And I know I'm supposed to. I'm honestly just kind of really lucky with how clear my skin is. Oh my god, these are the coolest things ever, guys. Acne Dote, Alba Botanica, and Acne Dote has pimple patches. And man, I had a horrible pimple a couple weeks ago, so I really wish I had had this, you know, like last month when it happened. But it's like a little band-aid that like honestly works as like concealer because it covers up your pimple and it blends into your skin and it treats it while it's on. So yeah, really cool. And here I'm just brushing my teeth because, you know, good breath, good hygiene. Next, I am just taking all my pillows off. This is the downside of having too many pillows. You know, they're all really cute, but it's kind of like a workout. You gotta shove them all off the bed. And then I just plop into bed after I change my PJs. Really comfy. Some Netflix before I go to sleep. I usually watch The Office to fall asleep. Turn on my fan because I cannot sleep without my fan. And then I'll usually yell at one of my roommates to come in and turn my lights off if they're still up and around the kitchen. They love me for this. And yeah, tucks me in, says goodnight. And then I have this awesome, amazing habit of going on my phone for 7 hours and reading and watching videos and texting and going on Instagram and Twitter till 2 a.m. So that's really great. If you have any tips on breaking this awful habit, please let me know down below. And yeah, that's my realistic night routine that I pretty much actually do pretty much every night. You know, popcorn, candles, staying on my phone for hours. You know, it's whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this night routine. Comment down below what you also do maybe for your night routine that's weird. Like, do you eat popcorn every night? Do you watch The Office every night? Let me know. Bye, guys.